So this is Tuesday morning, and this is the what day are we on? 13th of January or something like that. I'm looking for some. Anyway, well, that's more or less Friday 13th, isn't it? Anyway, I'm just waiting for some tradespeople to come and let me in to the building there. So back at the building. This is the biggest job I've probably taken on for a long time. Actually, I don't recall ever taking on, unless you count when I was a teenager when my dad had construction companies, but there you go. Yeah, waiting to get inside. I'm gonna start taking some shelves down upstairs. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm gonna probably do some time-lapse videos as well on this, because it's a long laborious job. I've got some pipes to take out, and I've got a space heater to try and remove as well. So we'll see what we can do today, shall we? So check out the rest of this video. Yeah. So finally gained entry to this property. I have had the most horrendous week for gaining entry to properties ever in the world, but the customer did get somebody else in to do some of the manual work. I've got some work to do upstairs in that bit as well, which requires my skill set. So but I'm going to continue with this today and see how far we get. So basically, here we go. This is the wall that's been taken out, so there's all this boarding to be cut up. Rest of this wall needs to be taken off, and rest of the ceiling needs to come down, and so on and so on. So they've basically stripped out these pillars here, across there as well. I really don't like doing this kind of stuff, because I think, you know, at the end of the day, just get somebody in for nice picture from the, looks like the 70s there. This was definitely some sort of bike shop or something to do with helmets. Obviously got a lovely lady on there showing a bit more cleavage. So I'm going to flip some lights on now. I'm going to bring my radio in, and we're going to get started on this today. Nothing's working, so somebody's tripped something, haven't they? Let's see if it goes back on. There we go. Lights, lights, lights. There you go. Right, let's make a start on it. quite a bit done there this morning. It's taken me just a couple of hours to get that wall chipped off. It's got a bit more to do on it now. Not sure if we're going all the way around yet. I'm probably just going to do it anyway, sod it. But yeah, remember the video about the skip, don't you? So this is what they've done. So the skip company have sent these bags here. So let me just put the plasterboard in, tied off. And this is what they require as well. All the bins and everything have to be tied off. So it's an absolute joke, isn't it, really? So yeah. So I'm gonna have a quick break now before dinner time and just catch my breath a little bit and then crack on a bit more with it, because I need to bag all this rubble up as well. It's like a nightmare. Ugh, I hate doing this kind of stuff. Some people like it, I don't. I'd rather be doing something a bit more normal. £18.72. 5p.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up